Sierra Leone, a land of peaceful faith. In a world often divided by differences, there exists a small nation on the west coast of Africa, Sierra Leone, where diversity is not a source of conflict, but a foundation of unity. Here, religion does not separate people, it brings them closer. When the bells of Christmas ring across the streets, and churches fill with songs of hope and celebration, it is not only Christians who rejoice. Muslim brothers and sisters stand beside them, helping to prepare meals, sharing in the joy, visiting homes, and celebrating the spirit of love and giving. Because in Sierra Leone, your neighbor's happiness is your happiness too. And when the crescent moon signals the end of Ramadan, and the call for Eid prayers fills the air, the story remains the same. Christians join in the celebration, visiting Muslim homes, sharing food, offering gifts, and strengthening bonds that go far beyond religion. This is not an exception. This is the culture. Families here are not defined by one faith alone. It is common to find a household where a father is Muslim, a mother is Christian, and yet they live, eat, laugh, and pray for each other. There's no division, only respect. No hatred, only understanding. No us and them. Only one people. In Sierra Leone, religion is not a barrier, it is a bridge of tolerance, a bridge of unity, a bridge of peace. And in a time when the world searches for harmony, this nation quietly stands as a reminder that peaceful coexistence is not just possible. It is powerful. This is Sierra Leone, where faith unites and peace defines the people. Thank you for watching. If this story touched you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so the message of peace can reach the world. This is Dream Scene Studios.